Easy breakfast egg muffin cups. I love these, and they form part of my 60 free healthy PDF recipes that you can download from my site. But really good, and you can tweak them a little bit like I've done today. First off, you're going to preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade fan. I'm using my Hourplace oven, and you want a muffin case. What you're going to do is you're going to grease that muffin case. I'm just doing one today so that you can see what they look like and how to do it, but the recipe is for 6. First of all, break an egg into a bowl. And then, as one of my naughty tweaks today, I'm adding a little bit of cheddar cheese, so just a small handful, along with a small handful of red pepper that's been diced, and some spring onions, which I just love and give punchy flavour. Then add a pinch of salt and a good grinding of pepper. Mix that all up in the bowl, and then you're going to pour it into the muffin case. You want to make sure that it's around about 3/4 full. I went a little bit heavy-handed there. Anyway, pop it in the oven for around about 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked all the way through. But you can tweak this with many different things. My recipe has spinach in it, which is on the PDF, but as you can see, I've deviated, and it's absolutely delicious. Makes a great snack, and I enjoyed this after doing a nice long trail run. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.